Hey, Matt here, founder of RevSystems. Remember, RevSystems is a private revenue cloud that I built for each of my clients. We take your CRM, your SEP, and all of your revenue tools and technology, and we push it into the cloud, unlocking the ability to unearth these insights that aren't possible in standard CRMs, in addition to machine learning forecasts and models, and even insights that are automatically driven to you with automation. So you can get Slack messages, emails, all communications can be sent to you with high value content. This is a contact gap map. Basically, we're measuring the date time difference between when the lead was created and when the first activity was logged on it. We're obviously trying to minimize the contact gap because when a lead comes in, that's the best time to strike while the iron's hot. Now, the reality is not every lead costs the same and not every potential account is worth the same. So it's important to layer, forecast values in addition to cost data to really get the entire picture when deciding how well your team is working and where improvements can be made. So as we can see, we've got pretty strong gap numbers, meaning high gap numbers. Now, if you look at the forecast value, maybe that's why. Maybe because we're seeing that they're lower potential value accounts, and so we're choosing to focus our fire other places. Totally possible. Let's dig into the trends to see how that's breaking out over time. Now, the lead engagement score, the first thing I'm noticing is that it is extremely variant, right? I'm seeing a gigantic range actually. It's going from as low as 3 to as high as 9. We need consistency to have efficiency. So I would be pushing my team to be engaging on a more consistent basis. I'd rather have a straight line of fives and sixes than superhero moments of 9 followed by long and deep troughs. Um, Similarly, the contact gap seems to be getting worse and worse over time. You can see that it used to be as low as 16, now it flows up to 20, now we're around 17. Now, the reality is that could be for a lot of different reasons, right? One, maybe your sales team has decided they're not getting the same ROI from the marketing leads that they used to. And so they're choosing to focus more of their time, energy, and effort into their own pipeline, the pipe that they're building. Conversely, it could be that marketing is a victim of their own success and that lately they've been surging their activities and their ROI. They've been generating a lot more leads. And as a result, your same number of salespeople have more leads to work through, and it's taken them longer to get to them. So, it's important to look at not just the values as they are right now, but the trends to see how they're changing. And then this gives you an excellent opening position to sit down with your leaders and talk about what's happening and how we can improve these. So again, it was very exciting to show you this. We can visualize a lot of the revenue engine. We can bring to bear insights that aren't surfaceable in your CRM. And also we can have automated alerts going to revenue leaders, VPs, directors, essentially anyone in your organization, even your board of directors if you want. Thanks. Bye.